Hello, everybody, and thank you for joining us for today's episode of Digital Things, where we at Trinex like to discuss all things digital water and how we can help solve pressing challenges for water and wastewater utilities. I'm joined again today by Mark Zito, the Trinex VP of Product Management. Thanks for joining us, Mark. Today, we'll be building on our discussion around the leadCAST Predict and Esri ArcGIS integration and talk a little bit more broadly about how Trinex leverages our water domain expertise and our data science expertise to create differentiated solutions for our customers. So, Mark, my first question for you is, how does Trinex leverage both that domain expertise in the water industry and our data science expertise to drive the success of leadCAST Predict and any other Trinex tools?
Yeah, absolutely. And thanks for having me. So we could not have done it without the domain expertise. And what was really powerful is our relationship with the internal folks that we have that have decades of experience in water, and then also those at CDM Smith. So whenever we had a new variable we wanted to test out in the model, like we could just hop on a Teams call or chat with someone and say, what do you think of this? Is this going to work out? And we did that from the start. And we continued to just make our model better and better as we learned, from how the model was reacting to these new variables, and also what our CDM Smith colleagues were out there on the front lines with customers digging up pipes, seeing what technologies work, what to look out for, and that collaboration is really what brought together a really powerful model that we're able to offer up to all of you.
Great, thank you, Mark. Mark, I'd love to hear from you. What future developments and integrations can we expect from Trinex in the digital water solution space?
Yeah, so you're going to be hearing a lot about waterCAST over the coming months. That's our new product that we're really excited to show off. Does everything from water quality tracking to helping you track your assets. But an important part of that is bringing in data from existing systems. So we already have integrations with SCADA, with work order systems like CMMS, and with laboratory information systems, or LIMS. So what we're doing right now is building out a library to connect to all the different vendors. SCADA is really the big one. It's particularly important to our waterCAST platform because that's where utility operations data lives. Once we have that data pulled in, we have real-time access to what's happening within your system. We can monitor for anomalies, detect blockages ahead of when you know about them, and we can recommend optimization strategies for energy or chemical dosing. It's also a challenge because of the security risk with accessing operational technology, but we've done it before with waterCAST Sewer, and we're already SOC 2 compliant, so we take your data with the utmost care, and that's where we're going with integrations.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Mark. I appreciate you sharing your perspective, and thank you, everybody, for joining us today.
All right, thank you.